With Builderall, we can always have a laugh. Here you see they added a survey to ask for our opinion. And when you click on the survey, it sends you to the edit version of the survey. So it doesn't even ask you the questions. It shows you the answers. It's like I can edit it. So this is a mistake from this. This link is to the user satisfaction survey. We can see that people are not happy usually. But the question is, what is your confidence level in recommending us to other professionals like you? So as I am an affiliate, I have high confidence in recommending anything. I don't care. I think that people are old enough to make their own decision. I will promote this product, and if they like it, they buy it. If they don't like it, they don't buy it. It has nothing to do with what I think of this product. Because maybe I like a product, other people will not like it, or I don't like a product, and other people will like it because my needs are not the same as others. So as an affiliate marketer, I promote products and people can decide. That's it. I'm not the expert friend who say, oh, this product is very good. You have to buy it. No, I say this product is good or not good. Everything is good. It depends on people, what they think. Maybe some crap product that I think is crap, maybe it will be a treasure for someone else who loves it. I don't know. So why? I will not promote this product, and maybe some people will like it and will buy it anyway from somebody else. So I don't enter into this kind of things. This means that affiliate can recommend me. I can answer 10. My level of confidence is very high to promote Builderall. But then if you ask me other questions, like which tool do I use? Do I use Builderall or other things? My answer can change. But my level of confidence in recommending Builderall is 11 out of 10. But we can read the answers, which is not supposed to happen. So we can see how people respond, and from 5 to 10, here is the majority of people. But in the answers, the text that they write, they have a lot of criticism on the tool itself, on the company. And then the last question is, which tools have you used or are you using in Builderall? So it's a Builderall Builder, of course, ex Cheetah. Then you have the booking and Builderall Builder a second time. We don't know why. And Mailing Boss and booking a second time. And e-learning. So anyway, you see, you have several answers, they are the same. So the level of incompetence is very high also. Because from Builderall here, they send us to this where we can see everything. They don't want that. So it's a mistake on incompetence. Will the employee be fired for this incompetence? Of course not. So I took all the answers and I put them into artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, but it's another one. And I asked it to create a feedback report. So we can have a summary of all the answers. It's more useful. So the feedback report, overview. The comments reveal several key issues and concerns with using the Builderall platform. Difficulty navigating the platform and steep learning curve, especially for beginners. Many find the interface clunky, overwhelming, with a lack of sufficient tutorials and onboarding. So this is very bad because most people are beginners, 90% of people are beginners and the others are not beginners. So most people, they will find it overwhelming, but this is for years ago already. It's normal because it's an all-in-one platform. But the simplicity, the ease of use is so important that competitors who are simple to use, they will always win the heart and money of the beginners. And then you have bugs, glitches, and incomplete tools. Many tools seem buggy, unfinished, or lack key features. Pages load slowly at times. Issues with caching and updates. Caching, this is when you develop a website. It's true that you have to wait. Save, publish, and wait before you can see the live version of your page. In other products, you save, you watch. There is no caching issues or whatever, and clear your cache, blah, blah, it's always your fault. No. In other tools, it doesn't happen like this. So Builderall, once again, it's up to you. Don't put the blame on others. Then you have the lack of trust and transparency from the company. Changes to commission structure, lack of notice for changes, and unfulfilled commitments have eroded trust. Customer support seems dismissive of concerns. This, I can attest to that. The changes of commission structure, I have talked about it in videos before. What do you want to say? You want to lie? If it's, this is a, I mean, to say something else is to lie. That's the only option. Otherwise, it looks very bad. The changes on commission structure, and especially with the new ownership, when they steal half of your money if you don't make a new sales every 3 months, there's no other ways to describe it. You can describe it other ways, but then you have to lie, you know, to say, oh, but no, this is a reality that affiliates can feel, and they give you feedback about it. So don't dismiss it. But anyway, doesn't matter because they will not change. Then you have confusing naming conventions between Builderall and Cheetah. Yes, this was before, now it has changed. Now it's Builderall Builder. The constant rebranding causes confusion. It's true, but whatever, not important. Mediocre customer support and training resources. Support tickets can take days. Training seems disorganized and incomplete. Need better knowledge base, especially in other languages. No, don't lie about that. It's not especially in other languages. There is no other languages except maybe for Spanish or, I don't know, Portuguese, I don't know. But not for French. Very bad. I've always been bad. We have to abandon it. So for French, we have to abandon the idea of anything. And then the customer support is true, it's not so fast. And in general, I don't like customer support in all softwares. So Builderall included, but it's not only Builderall. I mean, Builderall maybe is worse than other software, maybe, but all customer supports are crap. Because, you know, the one who work at customer support, they are not the brightest. They are not the developers. They are people whose job is to answer other people. So maybe they have followed the training, but if they are any good, they will not still be working at customer support. They will make their own business, or they will work to create something with the platform. I mean, just following a training on the simple features. Yes, if you don't need any help, you know, if your only help is because you didn't read the FAQ, then yes, the support can answer you. I don't know if it's in a timely fashion. In the comments they say no, I don't know. But I mean, if you ask a simple question that you could have found the answer yourself, then yes, they can answer. But otherwise you are in a world of pain with customer support. I don't like them because they are like a barrier. You know, they block you from talking to someone who can do something about it, about the problem, can understand first the problem. So I have to explain everything, but to people who have no power. And I have to trust them to follow up to the developer, and I can never talk directly to any intelligent person, only customer support. So that's why I don't like it. But it's made, you know, to make a barrier and to support the people who should have studied themselves, you know, shouldn't need to contact support. So mediocre customer support and training resources. Those are comments maybe done by those who use customer support or training resources. Even training resources, I mean, if you practice the software, if you're not a beginner, you practice the software, you can, you know, if it's logical, well done, well designed, you can do it yourself. But if you are using the training resources, yes, they need to be good. I don't know anything about that. I cannot comment on customer support or training resources. I don't like customer support, and training resources, it depends. If I cannot figure it out myself, then I look for training resources. But okay, anyway. So the key recommendation, let's be positive. Builderall, simplify your interface and create better onboarding tutorials, especially for beginners. Short videos for each tool could help tremendously. I don't know if they did that already, but this is a recommendation. Then prioritize fixing glitches and bugs. Optimize page speeds, improve infrastructure. Set concrete timelines for finishing incomplete tools. Then improve communication and transparency from company leadership. Listen to affiliate feedback. Explain reasoning for changes. Rebuild trust. I mean, I don't think they can rebuild trust. Because, why? With what? More lies? No. What trust? Anyway. You break the trust. How do you want to rebuild trust? For what? Why? I mean, if you can do changes like this, it means in your head you have a big problem and you are not worthy of any trust. Because if you were trustworthy, or you will not have done that in the first place. If you are ready to do that, it means you are just waiting to do even worse. That's how I see it. I mean, second chances and things like this, let's see, but it's not a general rule. So rebuild trust and do a lot to rebuild it. You have a lot of work to do. Consolidate naming conventions and rebranding confusion. Transition fully to one brand, yes. Builderall or just change again. Take another name and then have all the tools with this name. Maybe. Expand knowledge-based articles in multiple languages. Dreaming. Organize training content better. Focus on thoroughness over personality. This is a comment I saw that, yes, the training, sometimes they are too friendly, not efficient enough. The trainings, yes. Vet quality of all training materials. Then standardize and improve customer support. Set expectations for TK response time. Give support staff tools and resources to provide complete answers faster. In summary, Builderall has a strong potential, but many users are frustrated. Focusing on the key issues around UI/UX, bugs, trust, training, and support could go a long way in improving customer confidence and satisfaction. Incremental fixes and transparency will help rebuild engagement. So good luck with that, Builderall, and start by fixing the link to the form, survey form. This is ridiculous. Bye.